Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fisherman's Inventory. 18. Ikura. Salmon roe. These taste briny, and when you bite into each egg, it'll burst into a small explosion of lovely salty goodness. Sushi Polymorph. 6. Temari. We're going to use about 20 to 25 grams of rice to make the rice balls. Let's put a spoonful of the Ikura on top. Kinda reminds me of Carrot Top. Mercers. 1. Controlled Chaos. 1 again. Chocolate. The store has some specialty Kit Kats. We grabbed the matcha ones. Let's micrograte a little bit over top. Kinda looks like wasabi. Finishing touches from the Magic Tavern. 12. Midas Touch. 1. Gold Leaf. This is edible gold that's been pounded into very flat sheets. It doesn't have a flavor on its own, but I think it'll look pretty. It's incredibly delicate. It's the first time working with it. And let's have a taste.
That's really fancy.
That's pretty interesting. Surprisingly not bad. The gold as predicted doesn't impart any flavor. Don't get it. The matcha and richness of the chocolate blending with the saltiness of the shoyu and ikura reminds me of butter and soy sauce rice. I'd be interested in testing chocolate with future sushi dishes. 6.5 out of 10.